Hey everybody, it's Joe Cioffi, s&sstormchasers. Storm Chasers, as we take a look at what's going on. Busy radar tonight. First off, I just want to show you what's happening off the southeast coast of the United States, where we do have some storms running across southernmost Georgia. There you go, right there. You can see a broken line of storms there, and then there are other cells that are developing as you go north and west. There's a line, and this is well south of Atlanta, which is right here. Here we go, as these cells kind of spread themselves out. Another cluster moving southeastward, and they're very, very busy here. Also on the Panhandle, we've got an east-west line right along the Alabama-Florida border. Now, as we move west, earlier, a few hours ago, there were a number of tornado warnings that went up for parts of the Texas coast, and now we have a pretty strong squall line, some strong cells in South Texas, south of Corpus Christi, and running east-northeast out into the Gulf of Mexico, and then coming inland into southeast Texas, and just about getting ready to go into southwestern Louisiana. Now, the northern part of this area doesn't look all that impressive as we get into less dynamics that are available for these storms to tap. So you get to just some moderate rain that runs up into Arkansas. And as we go up further, there's an upper low that's back up through eastern Nebraska. And you can see the signature there. This is part of the weather system that'll be coming eastward over the next day or so, and bringing some rain to the East Coast along about Saturday. So let's go take a look at a few specific radars. We're going to jump in to the Houston-Galveston radar, where there were a lot of marine warnings, but there are no land-based warnings at this time. The storms extend from Beaumont down to just east of Houston and then continue out into the Gulf of Mexico from there. And we'll backtrack and see if we can pick up a couple of other areas. Let's go down to southeastern Georgia and see what's happening here. Also, just some special marine warnings that are up. We don't have any land-based severe thunderstorm warnings that have been put up, at least as of this time. And we'll back up and backtrack. Let's check some of these cells out in through western Georgia. And here, yeah, the same idea. Just some strong thunderstorms, but nothing that seems to be severe at the moment. So it's all good, and I'm going to just jump. We'll just go to the GFS computer model, and I'll set it up for you so we can take a look at what's going to be happening here over the next couple of days. At least for our area, it looks pretty nice. But then here we go on Saturday, and of course we've got the Preakness on Saturday, which is going to be on a wet track if this is right. The rains it'll rain into the afternoon, and then the rains will probably gradually end mid-afternoon, I'm thinking. So probably by the time the race goes off, the track will be starting to dry. They have a habit of drying pretty quickly in these types of situations, but I'm guessing it'll be maybe muddy to good if you want to handicap the race that way. And then that low is just going to move along to the northeast. Rain moves up to New Jersey and Long Island. I'm still thinking there could be some tidal flooding, with tides running a couple of feet above normal for the Jersey coast and for Long Island as well, for the high tides late Saturday into Sunday morning. And then that low moves away, and there will be some instability showers, and perhaps even a couple of small thunderstorms could develop, because the upper trough is going to be hanging around here Sunday and Monday as well, and that could produce some afternoon instability showers. And as we look at the new GFS run, all of a sudden now it wants to make that low an issue again, moving up the coast Monday night into Tuesday. I'll see what it does beyond on this point. This is what it was doing a couple of days ago, backed away from it, and now suddenly doing it again. So we'll see how it plays. Weather is concerned for this evening. Have yourselves a great evening, and if you are watching from any area where there are some strong thunderstorms going on, do be safe. And of course, you can always check right here on s&sstormchasers for all the latest goings on in the severe